I wrote a little song a few years ago that goes like this, and it's, you can join in if you feel like it. Excuse me, sir, I need a lifting of the latch. Can you spare that much for me? For the price of a pint, and if you're inclined, you can join any company. You can join any company. Well, there's many's the day when I would stray to me local hostelry. In me pocket not a scratch, but the lifting of the latch to engage in a revelry. But then I would spy a likely guy spending money fast and free. And in no time at all, you'd hear him call, give your man what he's having on me. Ho! Accuse me, sir, I need a lifting of the latch. Can you spare that much for me? For the price of a pint, and if you're inclined, you can join any company. You can join any company. Well, I've listened to tales old and new, and all subjects I've advised, on matrimony and trigonometry and stranger things besides. Men's deepest thoughts are oft times brought to seek my counselling. Well, the parish priest in his confession seat hasn't heard as much as me. Excuse me, sir, I need the lifting of the latch. Can you spare that much for me? For the price of a pint, and if you're inclined, you can join any company. You can join any company. And the Stenson says this all the time. You know, there's them that say that I wouldn't pay for a drink to save me hide. But the truth be told, sure I've never owned what would get me through the night. Oh, me songs and me yarns are me only charms, and have stood me well till now. I don't come dear to provide good cheer, just another drink in your urn. You ready? Excuse me, sir, I need the lifting of the latch. Can you spare that much for me? For the price of a pint, and if you're inclined, you can join any company. You can join any company.